Hi, I'm Scott McNabb, Vice President of Sales for the Oracle Marketing Cloud Business Unit, and welcome to Modern Marketing. If you're new to marketing automation, you'll see how it can help you target and engage a broader buying audience with highly personalized experiences, drive more leads to sales, and deliver the highest ROI on your marketing investments. Now you can truly transform the way that you market in a digital age. It's time to deliver an integrated and highly personalized customer experience in a world where managing data, applications, and channels are becoming more and more challenging. These challenges are preventing you from driving the revenue that you need and expect. Ready to start your journey to modern marketing? Okay, let's go. We've been speaking with marketing leaders like you all over the world, and we're hearing about some common challenges that they're facing. These numbers on the board, 78, 20, and 50, tell a story about those challenges. First off, 78% of customers report that they don't receive a consistent experience across all channels. They aren't having that coherent and cohesive conversation with you that they expect. This keeps them from buying. And interestingly enough, only 20% of CMOs that we speak with can fully calculate ROI across all their different investments. It's nearly impossible to be confident in implementing new customer initiatives when you can't quantify and defend your marketing efforts and results. And these two issues are further exacerbated by an anticipated 50 times explosion in data growth in the year 2020. It's hard enough to manage today's marketing and customer data, but it's going to get even harder in the very near future. Think about it. You're being asked to drive and own the revenue goal, but there are a ton of barriers to your success. Your teams work diligently to coordinate and derive value from multiple data sources. In addition to the typical CRM apps that most organizations use to manage sales funnels and transactions, your teams are also managing multiple enterprise applications, things like email, social media, and advertising, just to name a few. And many of the customers that you want to reach prefer to interact with you through multiple channels like Facebook, Twitter, your website, direct mail, and much, much more. There are so many data sources, applications, and channels, your teams are becoming highly fragmented, and they find themselves stuck in silos. As you prepare to reach your target customers and prospects, you might not even know that your efforts are being duplicated by a colleague somewhere else in the organization. We bombard customers with highly uncoordinated messages that are coming at them from all different areas of the organization, some with conflicting messages going out on competing applications and channels. We've created this marketing complexity for ourselves, and then we're surprised when we pass on our dysfunction to our customers. When this occurs, there can only be two possible outcomes. First, they don't convert. They don't buy, which means you can't drive revenue for your business from your important marketing efforts. Or, the worst case, is they get frustrated with their interactions with you and they stop communicating with you altogether. It's not just about the known customer. There's a whole universe of potential buyers that you and your team need to reach. You might think of these as the silent majority. These potential buyers may have visited your website or raised their hand in some way at some point, but for the most part, we hear senior executives like you say that they're falling short when it comes to effectively reaching this critical audience that is so important to driving revenue growth. And then the inevitable happens. Another channel or new technology enters the picture, and this disrupts your entire process. You're launched into reactive mode, which sets you back. And adding more applications only leads to more data sources and more silos. All of this results in unrealized revenue. It leads to excessive time spent by you and your teams as they try to manage all of the data, applications, and channels that connect you to your customers. And it prevents you as a leader from having the visibility and insight into critical metrics that you need to guide your organization's marketing efforts. But what if? What if you could radically simplify and streamline your approach to marketing automation? The Marketing Cloud offers you the opportunity to create marketing simplicity by pulling together the data, the applications, and the teams that manage them under one holistic umbrella. What if you could give your teams a way to tap into a complete set of actionable data across all data sources? What if you could align and leverage all of your applications? What if you could ensure that when new applications and channels appear, they won't be disruptive to your business? You and your teams will be able to quickly and efficiently manage and integrate them within your current process. So, whether it's the next 10 applications or the next 50 applications, you can future-proof your efforts and avoid creating additional silos. This means that you can elevate your team to a new, flexible, and scalable foundation. You'll have the benefit of one view of marketing data to understand your customers and prospects, and an organized way to orchestrate their experience across the different applications that you use for marketing execution. With turnkey integrations into marketing ecosystems like Google and Facebook and other digital channels, you can also reach unknown buyers that are the best fit for your product or service, and you can achieve superior audience management while at the same time expanding the customer and prospect universe. This means that you can connect with customers and prospects in the right way, at the right time, with the right message, regardless of the channel. Because the Oracle Marketing Cloud integrates with the marketing apps, ads, and media providers that you rely on today, as well as the ones that you'll rely on tomorrow, you'll have the confidence that you need to act proactively rather than reactively to the next marketing opportunity. This means you can drive more revenue, reduce lost time and redundant work among your team, and innovate for the future. That's why marketing leaders like you are choosing the Oracle Marketing Cloud. It's a powerful engine that allows you to drive more revenue growth, take back lost time, get more and better metrics and reporting capabilities that you can use to influence major decisions in the boardroom. When you work with the Oracle Marketing Cloud, you can drive true marketing innovation and put your organization in the driver's seat to pull in more revenue, better customer engagement, and allow the buyer, both known and unknown, to engage and buy from you without regard to channel and insulated from the complex marketing landscape that you face. Now you can operate at the strategic level that you want and that your organization requires. Learn about the art of possible by contacting your Marketing Cloud representative today. Thank you, and I look forward to being with you on your journey to becoming a better modern marketer.